Hey everyone, just want to give you a quick update on my webpage I've been working on. So the main page hasn't really changed much. We still have the balance stuff here, the teensy terminal, the motor section, the ESP terminal. I added robot physical parameters so I could change these on the fly. And then here is where I've been working kind of the most on. This is my LED control page. So right now you see all these animations here. These are different animations that kind of mimic the R series logic or Astro Pixels. That's what I'm working on. And these are the different strips I'm working with at the moment. These are different control levels that are default for the whole thing. So how many LEDs are on at a time, the speed of the animation, and the overall brightness of the strip. On top of that, I have 4 color palettes here. Each one of these is individual. So this one right now is you see blue. If I switch it to orange, all these RGB colors, I can make a custom color if I'd like. Change how often this color appears in the pattern, how bright this individual color is versus all that. So that's all configurable per color, per animation. So if you see now I'm on alarm, if I were to click over to normal, all these change color. Now if I went back to alarm, it would have went to default because I didn't save this, but lets me change kind of all the different colors and all the different animations. So here you see multiple alarms because I set up presets. So if I wanted to go through here, and then in this normal, I like this blue, I like this white, I like this red, and this one I don't want anything, so I'm just going to turn it off, because I only want 3 colors. Now I can change the weight to this to be less, weight to this is more, so the weight just means how often that frequency of that color comes. So I want more blue than white. Bring this down, and then I save this to, we'll call it blue. I save this preset. Now it shows up down here with the list of presets, but it's also up here. So now I can set the front logic to this as well, or I can set the rear logic to that. If I want to change this all white and all the color, you do that. So it gives you pretty much flexibility to change. All these settings are per animation. So see the red alert only has red, so you do that. The scanner, only one color, but changes the frequency, the density. All that's configurable. I can go through here and say we don't want that one anymore. We can delete that. And then all this is configurable, editable, savable. I want to work on having these exportable so I can back them up as I need to. But that's what I've been working on with the LED page. That's my update for now.